So guys, today we will look about the clauses on and using. We will see how using is efficient as compared to on and what is the difference between using clause and on clause. So I have a database already mentioned here. It's a DVD rental database. It consists of many tables: actors, addresses, category, city, country, and remaining others. But I have considered two tables. One first is actor and another one is film actor. Okay. Now, as we all are aware that when we need to join the two tables, the basic need of joining the two tables should be that those two tables should contain common column. On the basis of that only, we will be able to join the two tables. In the same way, we have done here also. Okay. So first of all, I will fetch the details of the actor table and run this query. See, it gives me detail that are included in the actor table. In a similar fashion, I will fetch all the details from the film actor table. Run this query. I have got this. Now, as you can see that when I run this query, it consists of column actor ID, film ID, and last update. In the same way, the actor table consists of these columns: actor ID, first name, and last update. And in both the tables, we have one common column, that is actor ID. Now, on the basis of that, I will do the inner join. Now, let's see. I want the data that consists of actor ID, first name, last name, film ID. Now I have these three columns in my first table, that is actor table. I have this column in my another table, that is film actor. Now in order to get the details of all these four columns together, I need to join it, which is inner join. I have written a query: select a dot actor ID. A is an alias of actor table. A dot first name, A dot last name, FA dot film ID. FA is an alias for film actor, which I have written. From actor A, inner join film actor FA on FA dot actor ID equals to A dot actor ID. Now see here, I have written the on clause, right? Which helps the inner join to join these two tables together on the basis of the common column, that is actor ID. Okay, I'll run this query. I'll get this result. Notice that I am getting just give a notice to these three rows because I will be comparing this result to the another query where I have used using clause. Okay, so as you can see that it consists of all the first three records of Penelope Guinness, which has done three different movies, which has a different film ID, that is 1, 23, and 25. Now I will use the using clause and I will fetch the same details. Now as you can see that we got the same result of Penelope Guinness has having done three different films, which is 1, 23, and 25. So what we conclude from here, like we can use the on clause also, we can use the using clause also. But the main difference is we need not to write this tedious thing in case of using. We only need to mention the common column which is present in both the tables closed within this brackets. Notice these brackets are very important. If you use on clause, that it's up to your choice, but I would suggest use the using clause because there's a little bit much time spent on writing this whole thing. Like you need to mention the actor ID two times, then equals to, then a dot fa dot. So this is little bit time consuming. I would recommend just to use using clause, then followed by the common column which is present in both the tables closed in brackets. Remember this bracket, these brackets are very important. If you will not use these brackets, the query will throw an error. Let me show you. If I run this query without the bracket, it is throwing me an error and it says syntax error at or near actor ID. Clear? So the brackets are really important here. And mind it, this using clause is used everywhere. In inner join also, in right join, left join, outer join, and normal join. All the kinds of join uses using clause. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.